not trying to put you on the spot, but I'm trying to understand what a good parent is. What possibly could a 2-month-old have done that somebody would injure a 2-month-old and leave them with bruising?
He's taken all the classes and everything that's required of him, and he's learned from this, and I don't believe that it would happen again.
All right, the court is calling 2020 CR 2398, State of Texas versus Ryan Daniel Martinez. Could I have parties announced for the record, please, for the state?
Jordan Brown for the state.
For the defense?
John Robertson for the defense.
All right, and are you Mr. Ryan Martinez?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any objection with this sentencing taking place by video?
No, ma'am.
All right, to the courtroom, if you could have Jasmine Gonzalez please come forward.
Yes, Jasmine Milagro Gonzalez.
Yes, Jasmine. How long have you known Ryan Martinez?
6 years.
What's your relationship with him?
He is my husband.
So you knew him at the time of the incident, correct?
Yes, sir.
Since the incident, are you aware of any classes or treatment that he has received?
Yes, I know that he was required to take classes through CPS for parenting, and I believe some other classes that they appointed him to that he has completed and has certifications for. He is a dental assistant, a specialty for orthodontics. He provides for our family. So he is a dental assistant. He works specifically with the dentists in multiple offices. He trains assistants. They rely on him heavily. Since the classes and everything he's been appointed to do, he has done within the timely manner that they've requested him to. He is an amazing father to his 2 children. We just had our son back in December 30th. He's now 3 months. He takes care of the kids so I can work as well. He's with them all the time and, spends time with them, gets them what they need. He's an amazing father.
Do you have anything that you would like to tell the judge?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you may proceed.
Okay, thank you. He is an amazing father. He's done and will continue to do everything that is asked of him so he's able to remain and provide for his family and to continue to be with us. I believe he deserves that chance to show you guys that he is an amazing father and we need him.
All right, so this is what I have a question for you about, because you're saying that he's an amazing father.
Yes.
So the victim in this case is 2 months old.
Yes.
According to the injuries, it says the victim suffered from several black and purple bruises on her left cheekbone, as well as above her eye and above her ear. X-rays at the hospital revealed the victim had 4 lower recovering extremity fractures to her legs as well. So explain to me, and I'm not trying to put you on the spot, but I'm trying to understand what a good parent is. Explain to me in any of that where it shows that he's a good parent. That's my question number 1. And my second question is, what possibly could a 2-month-old have done that somebody would injure a 2-month-old and leave them with bruising? So I'm trying to figure out where is his great parenting skills and all of that.
He's learned from all of this and has taken all the classes and everything that's required of him, and he's learned from this, and I don't believe that it would happen again.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ryan Daniel Martinez?
And you know why we're here today, correct?
Yes, sir.
Judges can make a decision whether or not you receive deferred adjudication.
Yes, sir.
Besides this incident, have you ever been in trouble before with the law?
No, sir.
Could you please describe for the judge what all was entailed in that action plan?
Yes, I was at first, they had told me I had no contact with Jasmine or Mavis Martinez. Also to complete a parenting course fatherhood campaign. I completed the classes. It was 10 classes in total. Also, after 4 months, I was able to see again, just very briefly with a witness at hand. Um, I had CPS come to the house to where I was living, make sure was okay, that I was okay, that I was in good behavior. Um, on March of last year, I was able to see fully without any witnesses or anything, and I had completed the course. So now me and my wife are living together with my son as well. Um, um, we're doing much better than we were when all this happened. When all this happened, my wife had to move. I couldn't see. I had to live with my mom because I couldn't, I couldn't. I had to start from the ground, and we worked our way back up. We didn't have a car when all this happened. I had to give it up, and um, you know, we have a car now. We're working on getting another one. We found an apartment. We have another son. I got a promotion on my job, and I'm more happy than I was 2 years ago. And I love my children so much, and I can't live without them. I love them so much, and I love my wife as well. And I don't want her to go through, I don't want her to take care of these kids by themselves. I've been taking care of them when she has been working all day, and I do not want to miss those moments again.
Did you attend college after that?
I went to Concord College for my dental assisting certification.
Where are you working?
I work for Pacific Dental Services. It's also called Generation. My main office, I'm a registered dental assistant for the orthodontics. I have to treat patients with orthodontic treatment with braces, Invisalign, expanders. I have to work with children, adults, train new assistants, help the doctor chairside, also schedule and take inventory as well. So I'm pretty much, I need to be there for things to kind of work.
Okay. Could you describe how your life has changed since the day of the incident?
Yes, very much so. I do not take anything for granted anymore. Um, I love what I have, even if it's nothing. I'm just happy to be alive. I'm happy to be with my children, happy to be with my wife, with my family. That's all I ask for, is to be with them, and to be here with them, and I'm grateful to have a job and have an apartment, a car. I'm just grateful to be with them.
So are you willing to do whatever the judge tells you to do?
I'll do anything to be with them.
You're willing to do whatever, you're ready, willing, and able to do whatever she tells you to do, right?
Yes, sir.
Are you asking the judge to grant you deferred adjudication?
Yes, sir.
Do you have anything you would like to tell the judge?
Just to give me another chance with my children. This will never happen again. I've grown so much as a parent since this happened, and my wife has seen that. My kids have seen that. They come up to me every time I walk in the door. They smile and are happy to see me, and I am so happy to see them as well. I do not want to miss any more time with my children, and I love them so much, and I hope you could just give me another chance.
Do you have anything else you would like to tell the judge?
No, sir.
All right, Mr. Martinez, what happened? Why did your 2-year-old have all these injuries?
Well, I had gave her my wife had left and to get food, and I was rushing to give her a bath, and I dropped her on the bathtub, and she was just crying and crying, and um, instead of telling Jasmine what happened, I, you know, I was scared, and I was scared to tell her that um, I dropped her, and she started her bruises started to show up, and I got scared, and we ended up calling a doctor's online doctor, and he said to say,
But here's the problem with
yeah,
your story.
mhm.
They're saying that she had 4 lower recovering extremity fractures. So we have the lower extremity fractures in the leg, and then we have the injuries to the left cheekbone, as well as above her eye and above her ear.
Well, her leg, her her lower, I have no idea about that. I was trying to find anything I could at the hospital when she was born, because they did have difficulty getting her out. And when the officer told me about that, I was really confused. I thought he was just trying to, like, tell me something to get me to say something. And
Well, no, this is what it says right here. When the officer mentioned the victim having 4 healing fractures to her legs, the defendant, that's you, stated that he was holding the victim and demonstrated holding the victim with his left arm as he was sitting down, and somehow the victim's legs became twisted in his legs, and he knew she was injured.
well, I felt like he took that for more than what I said, because I told him that her leg, as she was sitting on me, her leg got twisted under my leg. And I feel like he just felt like I did something horrible. But to me, it was just something very minor. And there, there's no way that when that happened, that her leg could have broke like that. And
Okay.
this was also about two weeks before this incident happened. So
Okay.
there was no way, if it was a recovering injury like that, that her legs could have been fractured.
All right. Anything else from the defense?
Yes, Your Honor, if I might ask a few follow-up questions.
Yes.
Ryan, did you intentionally injure your child?
No, sir.
And you realize that when you accidentally dropped your child, you made a mistake and you should have told someone immediately, right?
Yes. If I would do it all over again, like, I would do things different and say right away what happened. I made that mistake. Yes.
You realize it also doesn't look good that you tried to tell him it was a bug bite.
Yes, sir.
Had you ever been a father before this?
No.
Were you afraid, scared, freaking out?
All the above. I was really scared. I was really scared.
Do you think you handled this incident correctly?
No, not at all.
If you had it all over to do again, would you do it differently?
Yes, what I would do differently is give her a bath like an infant should, and not give her a shower. So this would not have happened at all. I'll do whatever it takes so I can be with my children.
Do you have anything else you would like to tell the judge?
Just, I just want to be with them, and I love them and they love me, and we have such a strong bond, and I don't want that to go away.
All right. Thank you. Do you have any other witnesses?
You heard both Jasmine and Ryan testify. And since the incident, Jasmine and he have got married. They're both living with both their children. He stated that he was taking a shower with the baby and dropped her. He knows that he shouldn't have been doing that. He also realizes he should have immediately reported it. He has learned from this incident, no priors. He's a hard worker, anger management, stress education, parenting. He's willing to do whatever it takes, I would request that you give him the deferred adjudication.
All right.
Would you like to take a guess at what Judge Boyd will do here? Tough one, I know, and I've watched this multiple times and had plenty of time to figure it out, and I'm still unsure. Comment your answer below.
Court's going to deny your application, find you guilty, sentence you to a $1,000 fine, time and money will run concurrent. There should be no harmful or injurious contact with Martinez, and I'll sentence you to 18 months in the state jail facility.
Boom. What are your thoughts? Is this sentence adequate?
Did you review that document with your attorney and did you understand it? Mr. Martinez?
Yes.
All right. Because this is a plea bargain agreement and I'm actually giving you something less than you bargained for, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. And because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Mr. Martinez, good luck to you.